What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. Last week we had discussing about AP Basic Group 2 exam, previous paper analysis. That exam is conducted on May 5th, 2019. I given an explanation about that. Please go to my channel and see that video also. Please subscribe to my channel also. In that question paper, we have seen some questions on important days in a calendar year. Now I decided that I have to make two parts of series, that is from January to June, another part July to December. I have to make important days in a calendar year. For that I am making this video. Before going to our days, important days, we have to see what are the previous questions asked in days, on days. That is, on which date is World Environment Day is celebrated, that is 5th June. When do we celebrate the International Day for Eradication of Poverty, that is 17th October. World Population Day is celebrated on 11th July. These are the questions asked in previous examinations. From this we can conclude there is one question is from important days in a calendar. We don't leave a stone unturned, then only we will crack our exam. This is not a big task. If we have to make a list of important days in a calendar, if you read it again, we will understand that point. While reading, just not a simple reading, we have to understand why there is a significance that for that day. If you read that significance, we can easily understand that one. In our series, I will tell significance and I will tell important days in a calendar. Please look at it. Important days in a January. 1st January, English New Year. We know that 1st January is the English New Year. That is next one. Global Family Day. 1st January is known as for World Peace Day also. Next one, 4th January, that is World Braille Day. If you have to interpret like this, why 4th January is celebrated as a World Braille Day? If you interpret like this, we can understand why. Because inventor of Braille Lipi, who discovered that Braille Lipi, Braille is birth date on 4th Jan. Next one, 9th Jan, that is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, that is NRI Day. Why we are celebrating on this day as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or non-resident Indian Day? That is why, because Gandhiji is returned from South Africa in 1915. Next one, 10th January is celebrated as World Hindi Day. Next one, 12th January, that is National Youth Day. Why? Because it is a birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Here is a quotation of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. Our goal is to crack the APPSC Group 1. For that we have to arise and awake and do not stop until the goal is reached. Next one, 15th January, that is celebrated as, why? Because we will celebrate 15th January. K.M. Kariappa is taken army from British. That's why we have celebrated as 15th January as a army day. Next one, 25th January, National Customs Day, Indian Tourism Day, National Voters Day. Next one, 30th January, that is Mahatma Gandhi Martyrdom Day. We will celebrate, there is a freedom fighters for there, like Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh. For these martyrs, we are celebrating 30th January as a Martyrs' Day. Next, we will discuss important days in a February. That is 2nd February is known as World Wetland Day. That is Convention of Ramsar Site. Next one, 4th February, we will celebrate as a World Cancer Day. I am and I will. World Cancer Day we will celebrate on 4th February. Next one, 13th February. It is a birthday of Sarojini Naidu. She is also known as Nightingale of India. Next one, 27th World Sustainable Energy Day. Next one, 28th February, that is celebrated as a National Science Day. Why? Because on this day C.V. Raman, he is a scientist, he is from physics. He invented that C.V. Raman effect. For that we are celebrating 28th February as a National Science Day. Next we will discuss important days in a March. The first one, 8th March, that is celebrated as a International Women's Day and Literacy Day. For that, women should be strong, be independent, be bold, and be passionate to our work. Next one, 15th March, World Disabled and Consumer Rights Day. 18th March, Ordnance Factories Related Day, that is related to equipment of Army, Navy, Air Force. 20th March, World Sparrow Day. We will celebrate 20th March as World Sparrow Day. Next one, 21st March, World Forestry Day. That is next one. 22nd March, we will celebrate World Day for Water. Next one, 23rd March, that is we will celebrate as a World Meteorological Day. Next one, 24th March, that is World TB Day. TB means Tuberculosis Day. We have so many cases are in India regarding TB, tuberculosis, that is related to lungs. It's time to end TB, that is celebrated on a World TB Day on March 24th. Next we will discuss important days in April. Important days in April. 1st April is known as Orissa Day or Utkal Day. Next, 2nd April, World Autism Awareness Day. 5th April, we will celebrate 5th April as a National Maritime Day. Next, 7th April, we will celebrate as a World Health Day. Next one, 13th April, that is Jallianwala Bagh Massacre in Punjab. 14th April, birthday of B.R. Ambedkar, that is known as B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti. Next, 17th April, World Hemophilia Day. It is a disease of related to blood, that is like hemophilia. Next one, 18th April, we will celebrate 18th April as a World Heritage Day. There are so many important days in April. There is for this slide there is a continuation also, please see that one. Continuation, 21st April is celebrated as a National Civil Service Day. We are preparing for civil services, that is we will celebrate 21st April as a National Service Day. 22nd April Day, that is World Earth Day. We will celebrate World Earth Day. We have to protect our earth, that's why, otherwise we will end our lives also. Today, that is 23rd April, we will celebrate World Book Copyright or English Day. Next one, 24th April, National Panchayati Day. In APPSC Group 3, this question is asked. From that we can know that there is a importance for important days in a calendar. Next one, World Malaria Day, that is on 25th April. Next one, World Intellectual Property Day, that is on 26th April. Next, 29th April as a celebrated as a World Dance Day. Please remember these important days, then only we will crack our exam. Next one, important days in a May. 1st May is known as International Labour Day. Next, 3rd May is known as Press Freedom Day. 7th May is known as World Athletics Day. 8th May is known as World Red Cross Day. Next, 11th May is known as National Technology Day. We will celebrate 11th May as National Technology Day. 12th May we will celebrate as a International Nurses Day. 24th May, National Commonwealth Day. 31st May, we will celebrate 31st May as Anti-Tobacco Day. These are the important days in a May. Next we will see the important days in a June. 5th June, World Environment Day. This question asked in previous examinations. For that we have to concentrate on important days in a calendar year. 8th June, we will celebrate as a Ocean Day. 12th June, Anti-Child Labor Day. 14th June, World Blood Donor Day. 20th June, World Refugee Day. 21st, it is for, we will celebrate 21st June as a International Yoga Day. 26th June, International Day Against Abuse Illicit Traffic. These are the important days in a June. With it, we can conclude our video. Please make a note on important days in a calendar. If I forget any important days in a these from January to June, please comment in our comment box. Then other subscribers or other aspirants also will know. With this, we can conclude our video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing off. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.